Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have the app open, just close it. Okay, now go ahead and find Play Store or App Store. Open it up. All you have to do is just make sure that Instagram doesn't have any updates pending. Okay, look for Instagram. And once done, if there's an update button right here, just tap on it and wait for the process to finish. And once done, open it up. Now let's go ahead over to our profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now tap on 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Now in here, just scroll down and find For Professionals and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Now in here, just tap on Switch Account Type. Now, for example, you are in the professional account, just like what I have in here. So just basically tap on Switch to Personal Account. Okay, tap on it, follow the simple prompts, like so, switch to personal, just wait for it. And once done, go ahead and check it out. All right, and it should work now. Now, what if that still won't work? Well, the problem here is that not every music is in Instagram, okay? Or not every music in the world is in Instagram. All right, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.